Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I will be showing you a resolution on how to fix this blue screen caused by the Microsoft global outage. So just a little background, I have been out of work for a couple days because of this outage. I have contacted our help desk and they've opened and escalated my case and we're not able to fix it. So I did a little bit of research and followed these steps to recover my computer. So just a disclaimer, I am not sure if this is going to work for everyone, but you can try these steps and I hope it works. Step 1. If you see this blue screen, do a hard reset on all your devices. So unplug all your PC and all your devices and restart it. Step 2. After restarting, you should see this recovery screen. If you're not seeing this screen, move to step 3. If you are seeing the screen, press F8 for startup settings. After pressing the startup settings, you should see this 9 options in your computer. Press F5 to enable safe mode with networking. Step 3 is a little bit complicated. For those that restarted their computer and did not land to a recovery page, there is an extra step that needs to be done. So click on the other user in the lower left corner of your screen instead of your regular login. Your company should provide you a password for the admin. If not, then you can ask your ID or your help desk to provide you with a password. The password would be really dependent on your company, so you would have to ask your IT or your help desk for that one because it would be different from the one I have. So this is my admin screen loading. Step 4 is the continuation of step 2. So it loaded the safe mode screen with networking. Sometimes it would show an error on the upper right corner. Just end the process and it will bring back the safe mode page. The lower left side of your screen, there is a search icon. Just start typing the letter C as in Charlie, M as in Mary, D as in Delta, or CMD, and then run as administrator. After pressing that, you should see another screen pop up on the background. Like so. Type the exact string of characters that I'll be giving you and make sure to review because if you make any error, it's not going to work. So it's DEL space C colon backslash Windows backslash System32 backslash drivers backslash CrowdStrike backslash C asterisk 291 asterisk dot SYS and make sure to review. After typing the string of characters, press and enter and you should see another line like so. So if you're seeing a screen like mine, that should have fixed the issue. All you have to do now is restart your computer and see if the troubleshooting that we did worked. So it should bring you to this screen. This is going to be your password login screen. It should start with admin, but you could also click other and go back to your normal Microsoft login. So click your remote desktop and it should open up the Microsoft sign-in screen. Just type in your Microsoft sign-in and it should bring you to this page, which means you have fixed your blue screen error. So right here, I'm trying out the other user. I started earlier with the admin and now I'm going to try my Microsoft login to see if it works as well. So yes, it did. So you can go click your remote desktop and you can resume with your work. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.